This stew is coming along nicely. I'll add the fresh herbs now. Perfect, just a bit more stirring. We're almost ready. Here is our menu. Thank you. It looks good. Enjoy.
This section looks good. Now, for the next item. This one is approved. Your order, madame.
Oh, thank you.
Order up for table 5.
Right away, chef. Welcome. So glad you could come. Hi there. This place looks lovely. Thank you. I saved a seat for you. How sweet. Table 5 is ready.
Serving now.
Excellent. The souffle is perfect.
Thank you. It looks wonderful. Welcome to Paws and Purrs, the best eats in town. Follow me inside for a taste.
Here is your meal. Enjoy your dinner. Cheers to us!
To a perfect night.
And great food.
Happy to serve.